Hi, welcome to Laid Back Learning and Living. I'm Heather. Today, I'm going to give you a couple tips and tricks of how I deal with snack time during homeschool. I don't know about you, but I know as soon as we start our homeschool day, the kids are instantly saying that they're hungry. They just ate 15 minutes ago. There's absolutely no way that they could be hungry already. We have to stop our day, go and grab a snack, and then try to get restarted again. After doing this day in and day out for months, I said there had to be a better way. After months of frustration with this problem, I came up with a system using these little plastic containers that I got at Target, and then a couple that we already had on hand. I like to try to color code our kids, and our youngest being pink, our middle son being blue, and our oldest being purple. It just makes things a little bit simpler. When they're looking for something that belongs to them, they know that their color is that one, and I don't have to deal with the bickering of, is that one mine? I just take a few minutes each morning and fill up their little containers with some healthy snacks, and then ensure that their water bottles are full. So this means that in the middle of a lesson, if they are starving and have to have something right then, all they have to do is run over to the kitchen counter, grab their snack and their water bottle, and bring it back, and we can keep the lesson moving. It alleviates all of the getting in and out of the cabinets or in and out of the fridge and the ruckus that can come about with that. I'll pull that and pull that. Okay. We like to keep our snacks fairly healthy, and we have a variety of different little dried fruit, nuts, beef jerky, or in the fridge, we'll keep mandarin oranges and different fruits and veggies that are already pre-prepped, ready to go. I just take a couple little snacks and give them a variety. So my youngest loves cashews. So I give her a little handful of cashews. And we just recently made some raisins off of the grapevines that we have in our backyard. And she's loving those, as do my middle and oldest. And I like to use little silicone cups to kind of keep things separate, because the kids are always complaining about things touching and not wanting it if it's touched something else. My daughter, like I said, loves cashews, but for the other two, they really like beef jerky. So I'll just throw in a few pieces. It's not supposed to be a meal. It's just a snack that's going to tide them over. But we do tend to have a little bit later lunch. So I want them to have a good amount of protein and some stuff to keep them full for the morning. And then lastly, I like to get some fresh fruit out of the drawer. So maybe a couple mandarin oranges and an apple. And we will throw those on top. And then the only other thing is some kind of a crunchy item, because they all look forward to having something crunchy. And let's see, today we'll do veggie straws, because all three of them love the veggie straws, and they're pretty quick and easy. So I just kind of use the little dividers to separate things. And then I'll use the one side and throw in a handful or two, depending on how big the kid is. So my oldest is clearly going to eat a little bit more than my youngest. That doesn't hold true for our son, because he's always eating. All right, and then lastly, our youngest gets just a few here. So I seal everything up, and I'll stick their fruits on top. And my son loves apples. Oldest loves the oranges, as does my youngest. And then I just stick them over here on this part of our island. and make sure that their water bottles are full so they have water and snack ready to go. And it makes my life easier so that they're not constantly getting into the cabinets or the fridge. Now, if they do run through all the snacks that I've given them for that day, then they're free to go into that drawer that I showed you in the fridge that gives them all kinds of healthy snacks. Cheese sticks, yogurts, hard-boiled eggs, veggies that I've already washed and cut up, so they can grab anything out of there until we get to lunchtime. So this system has been working for us for about a year now, and it's been really helpful in not breaking up our homeschool morning. And the kids know exactly what to expect, and it kind of gives them a nice variety of snacks within their little snack containers. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. We'll see you next time. Oh, no. Okay, I'll be there I want a snack.
All right, listen to me.
That was shocking.
What happened? The oranges!